Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Photoleap if it's not working. Let's get started. First, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store and check if there is an update for Photoleap. If you see this button right here that says open, it means your app is updated to the latest version. But if you see an update button right here, then it means you have to update it. Next is you can try restarting the app. You should close it completely and then reopen it to see if that resolves the issue. If that doesn't work, try restarting your device. Sometimes a quick reboot helps improve app glitches. You can also clear the app's cache by going to your device's setting, and from here scroll down and then go to apps. Here find Photoleap, just right there. And then find clear cache and clear the cache or its data. If the problem still persists, consider reinstalling the app and logging back in. And that's how you fix Photoleap not working.